Or maybe we should change that. Some people fear infection, a cut, or a scrape on your arm that becomes something more. You watch as an open wound grows larger and the pain grows with it. It begins leaking fluids and blood until your limb must be severed to prevent it from spreading. Some people fear diseases, an unseen enemy targeting you from within, slowly but continuously breaking you down on the inside. Diseases can target your eyes, causing total blindness, or your heart, causing sudden death, or your limbs, leaving you unable to move. Some people fear being trapped in small spaces, confined and left to beg for help, scratching and clawing at the walls that hold you, and knowing that no matter what you do, you can never escape.
I am in your nightmares.
I know that you fear something. Everybody does. And we have all night to figure out just what you're afraid of. So let's dig a little deeper.